There's baby Ethan. It's 5.5 weeks old. And he's discovering things. He was just talking to his toys, and I thought I would try to capture it on video, but it seems that he is got a little bit of a camera shyness. Oh, now he's getting mad at it. Ethan. Ethan, say hi, monkey. Alright, we're gonna go on that note.